This is LoveLand Pass, and it is brutal windy. We're gonna go drop, and I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to do a little backcountry snowboarding here in Colorado on a brutal day. What is it like once we drop past, hopefully, this wind? Whoa! Pick this back up when I get back in the trees. You might have noticed that Tom and I are riding the same board. This is a Gilson Leviathan Fly, which is a powder board, big wide spoon nose, super crazy swallowtail, and the artwork front and back was designed by me, and it is available. I'm not sure if they're going to carry it next season, so I suggest grabbing one of these. If you've got a day that's 4-6 inches or above, this makes all the difference in the world to ride a board like this. The reason that I went out and got one of these, or got my art on this board, is because I've ridden lots of different powder boards, and I tried the Gilson Fly and loved it so much. I reached out to the company and was like, I love this board. Can I do some artwork for it? And they said yes. So that benefits you. You can go get one right now at the link in the description below. Days like this at the top of LoveLand Pass are brutal. As you can see, there is ice just frozen all over my car. It's windy as all can be, but it's still fun to get up here with buddies, drop into those trees, and get fresh tracks every single time. If you do come up here, I do suggest always bringing a buddy. It's not groomed, and there are tree wells and things like that you do need to watch out for, and you don't want to be stuck out here by yourself somewhere. So ride smart, ride with a friend, have fun, be safe, so you can do it again next time.